Hi, a quick note before we continue. This video is color graded using Dehancer. Dehancer is a tool that helps you give your videos or photos a film look. I personally like adding a cinematic, moody feel to my design process videos, and this tool makes it much easier to achieve that without overthinking the grade. Dehancer reached out for me to try it, and I use it here as a plugin inside Premiere Pro. It's also available for DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut, After Effects, Photoshop, and more. I also tested the new macOS desktop app for photo editing, especially with large RAW files and batch exports, and it handled everything really smoothly. I hadn't used Dehancer before, but it definitely helped speed up my grading process and gave this video a more cinematic, film-like look. If you want to check it out, you can use the code ANCO10 for 10% off, and you can find the link on the description. Now let's continue with the design.